Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I greet you with your time. If you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, that is my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell. Whenever I upload video, you will be notified. And you are subscribed already, God bless you. I bet man not mind my Christmas tree. My baby don't naked the tree finish. She don't remove all the shiny, the light don't off. What we go do? We go still manage am. On Christmas Day we go still manage am. So man I just leave the skeleton like that. Man I just manage the skeleton with me. I say okay. Now Christmas we dey do, make I still show na my Christmas tree. Man I pardon the tree. Oh, my baby don't naked and she not dey finish for that tree. Every day now she go dey wall all the shiny. Then she go dey remove all the things for there. So that's by the way. I know some now go the one that say the title of this thing no go get heartbreak. No go get heartbreak for person matter. Heartbreak. I know so many of now go the reason say na man. Not be only man they give heartbreak. No go cause heartbreak for yourself. Not be only man they give heartbreak. You feel cause heartbreak by yourself for yourself. If you get my matter for mind, now maybe you get my matter for mind. Anytime you see me, your mind will fly. Your mind will fly. Maybe you they get grudges for me. That one a heartbreak. You just they break your mind for nothing. Okay, we'll get that to business of today. So no go get heartbreak because of person. It means say, for example, now maybe me and you they sell the same thing, the same product. Maybe they sell clothes for the same market, and I can't they sell past you. I can't they sell past you. For you to come ask me, say, my friend, though, how you take they get customer, how you take they do, how you take they talk, or you get the kind of sweet things where you they tell customer, or how you take they do, and you know, say, not be the way me will take convince my customer, not be so you go take convince your customer. You feel come ask me, I go tell you. No, some people not be like that. Oh, hey, for them to ask you how you take they get those customers, they go they jealous of you. Your matter not go let them rest. Anytime they see you, they go they do pay. That time you don't they get heartbreak for person matter. You don't they get heartbreak for person matter. For you to they jealous of person. Ask her the success of that thing. Ask her how the person till they convince he or her customer when she till they get customer. Ask her the person go tell you. I know say not be everybody go tell person and they take they successful for business, but just ask to free your mind. No get grudges for anybody because the person they pass you for life. No get heartbreak because of person. Make sure say you work hard. You go say maybe I dey pass you for market now. I see they use myself, they give example. You come they jealous of me. You come they get my hatred for mine. You come they get my bad belly. And me not gonna know me I dey free with you. Me when you dey vex for me, I dey free with you. I don't know what you dey vex for me for, but me I dey free with you. Now you go they get heart attack. Your heart go they do pain. Anytime you see me, you go they hey, she does still come. Hey, they talk about things for your mind. Or they talk things for your mind. That your mind you go they break for them. That your mind go they break for you. For you to get heartbreak for person matter. Better you go meet that person. Say, I beg how you say they do this thing where they work out for you. I don't try do one. You know they work out for. You know they work out for me. How you say they do one? Tell me. The person go tell you. That for you to the jealous of person, can they get heartbreak for person matter, can they hear your body, can they do quick. Some people dey like that, eh? Some people just dey like that, especially people when they closer to you. Let me with the present, may wait till we not know one, no two. May not come by also. Wait till we not know one, no two for. May God they always they protect us because person when they closer to you, feel just they jealous of you, feel they find one way or the other. For you to be jealous of person, work hard. Work hard. Hard works pay. And you need to sacrifice your time and you need to sacrifice your time for that thing when you work. You not feel expect I see they use that business for example. You not feel expect me and you we they sell the same business at the open. maybe I dey start my store 8 o'clock to 6 o'clock in the evening, for example, and that 8 o'clock to 6 o'clock, anytime my customer come, my customer dey see me for there, they know my face, I dey convince them well. And you where they do that same business, you dey open 8 o'clock, 4 never knock, you don't run go ask, I don't tire. And if that person where you and the gather do that business, come they walk past, come they get a customer past you, that person where they sacrifice the time, they sacrifice the body and everything for your business. You where they do lazy thing, you they run, they go house, they quit, they close your store, you know, they quit open. Maybe sometimes your customers go come, they not go see you, they'll come need to branch, go another person's store. You come they get bad belly for me where they sacrifice my time, me where they sacrifice my body for that business. Life is all about sacrifice. Anything you they do, you need to put more effort in that thing. You need to put more effort in that thing. Person like me personal, if I dey do something, maybe I want start to do something now, I must go ask questions. If you like, verse for me. If you like, they quarrel with me, say, you too they confirm me, you too they ask me question. I go say, I beg, no verse. I need to know. I dey like learn from people wey don already start that thing before me, or people wey we gather they do that same thing. I dey like learn. I dey like put my sacrifice. I dey like sacrifice myself for wetin I know say I dey do. For me to come dey get heartbreak for person. For me to come dey see person, my mind go dey fly. You go dey vex for, I go dey vex for person for no reason, for no just cause. Wetin be say I go fit go ask you, I'll come dey vex for you. I no fit do that. So my brothers and sisters, if una dey do that kind of thing, more na stop. Don't get heartbreak because of somebody. Not be only man dey cause heartbreak for woman. Not be only woman dey cause heartbreak for man. I know say if una see the title of this book, una go say if una see the title of this video, una go say hey, man don still start again. Now to say maybe I want to talk about a heartbreak for men. No. You feel cause heartbreak by yourself. If you get person for mind, na heartbreak. If you get grudges for mind, na heartbreak. As in anytime you see that person, your mind no dey rest. Your mind no dey rest. Go search yourself. Go search, say, okay, when me and so person get quarrel, na truth oh, my mind no dey rest oh. And I dey like free myself oh. Person like me now, if you offend me, sorry. If you offend me, I go tell you, for me to keep you for mind. I go young talk and anything I want to talk that time, or if not to anything I want to talk, any action I want to take that minute, so I go just take, I go just talk, I go just tell you that thing where you do me, I don't like that. For me to go get heartbreak because of your matter. For me to go get heartbreak because of me and person quarrel, I go just tell that person that thing, say, see what they vex me, see what you do where they vex me. See what you do where they vex me. I go talk and go come up for your mind and let that thing come up for your mind. This is another example of heartbreak. Maybe a person offends you. Person offends you. For you to tell that person, say, see where you dey go wrong, where I not like. See the kind of offense. Or maybe you hear something from outside that because once two friends don't they work out together. No relationship where good. Friendship na still relationship. Me and my girlfriend, we are in a relationship because we are friends. Not be only dating, be relationship. You and your boyfriend, una dey relationship because una be friends, una dey work out together. Teeth and tongue dey quarrel. No relationship wey perfect. Quarrel must dey. For you to come dey get grudges for that your friend, come dey get heartbreak because of your friend matter. Just free your mind. Tell the person wetin dey disturb you. The person go know wetin dey wrong. Wetin dey wrong? Like me now, if I offend you, you go come and say, and I still dey do that thing. I still dey do that thing where they vex you. For you to come dey get heartbreak for my matter, you come and say, Charity, this thing where you dey do, I not like am. I go apologize. If not to apologize to you, I go apologize. I go say, sorry, I don't know say this thing dey vex you. And many people, nobody is perfect. Everybody they make mistake each day. Many people go there now. That particular thing when they do, they use and they offend you. They use and that is you will be their friend. They use and offend you, but they don't know say that they offend you. They go still they do that thing, and you go they get grudges, you go they get heartbreak for their matter. You go they get heartbreak for their matter, so it's not good like that. My people, as I was saying, no get heartbreak because of person. If the person they do wetin you not like, call the person, tell him or her. The person go get correction. Some people say wetin they do, they not be wetin you like, not be I like, not be wetin it go offend me, not be go offend you. They go just see they do that same thing, but they not go know say that thing they offend you. Without you not tell them, they not go take correction. For you to they get grudges for person say, this girl they pass me for life for you. For example, now maybe you firstly come Europe, I come first they do things for house, come they get things past you. For you to come tell me say, babe, how far you to the waka now? This same Europe, me are you there now? See, I come. Maybe I feel still put you through for one or two things, or maybe we are for the work space still there. I'll still help you talk to the people. For you to come meet me, you they get grudges for me. For not just reason. Many people they do that thing, and which is very bad. No go get heartbreak because of person. The person where you they get heartbreak because of he or her matter. That person they free. The person they live in life they go. You just they vex for nothing. You just they pump for nothing. For you to get heartbreak because of person, call that person. Ask that person. Babe, how far? How you take the work out for this kind of thing? You know, say na the same business me and you they do, but my own no they work fine. And they see your own. How you take they do? The person go tell you. Me, anything I want start, and if I see people where say they don't succeed for that thing, or people when me and the person they do that same thing, I go make sure say that person he not go rest on my hand though. For me to call the verse say oh this person don't they pass me. I bet I'll the verse for now. I'll they pump myself. I'll they get heart attack for myself for Easter house. That the person never even know whether I the verse. The person never even know whether I get grudges for that. Why I can't they get heartbreak for the person? I go call the person. I go ask her. I go ask. If not to beg, I go beg. I go say, tell me want know that same thing when you they do, when you say they work out for you. You know, say na the same thing they do. Me, I want know that same thing. Tell me. That is me for you. If I don't know something, I dey ask. Nobody know too much. Nobody too big. Nobody too small. Maybe you senior me now. You say, that small girl. Now I can go dey ask. I not feel belittle myself. Oh, I not feel belittle myself. Oh, you come there, they get heart attack for my matter. You come there, they get heartbreak. Your heart go they break for there. Me when you dey vex, I don't even know whether you dey vex. Me I dey free. So not get. Hell, I'm gonna talk now. They're gonna say what they talk this morning. Listen well and reason with me. Reason this matter well with me. Reason what they talk well. Listen very, very well. What I'm saying this morning. Listen, calm down, watch this video and listen. Don't have heartbreak because of someone. Don't break your heart because of someone. Not get heart attack because of person matter. Because person they pass you for life. Because person they maybe because you senior that person, you don't want to belittle yourself. When they be senior, age is just number. Age is number. Even though the person me senior am 20 times, I go ask. As far as say I don't know. In case of kind of way people say seniors go know, junior no know. So kind of way some juniors they very wise. They get sense past senior. They get sense past senior. My junior brother, I'm using my younger brother as an example. That boy is very wise. He gets sense. Me when senior that sense I no get am. I no feel loud now. That sense I no get am. Some things where they talk sometimes I go say, now my younger one they talk this thing. Sometimes if I need some opinion for her, I go call her, I go tell her. I no look say maybe I senior and me wey be senior sister and me go come go they call my junior. Wetin my junior brother no. So some younger ones, some people wey you feel say you senior, they are very wise. Everybody gets their own gifts. Everybody gets their own sense. So no look say you senior me, you no go come ask me say wetin I dey do to take progress. You come dey get heartbreak because of me. Don't have any heartbreak because of anybody. No break your heart because of person. Free your life, free yourself, free your life. This life, nothing day. We just have to live happily. We just have to live peacefully. Don't have any grudges for someone because the person is successful than you. For you to have grudges for that person, ask that person. Ask that person, wetin you dey do when this thing take dey work out for you? The person go tell you. I know say not be everybody dey like to tell person their secret to their success, but no just get that person for mind. As far as you don't ask, free your mind and try dey look that person. Anything you see say that person they do, if that person they put more effort for that business, put more effort for your business. If that person they sacrifice more time for that business, sacrifice more time for your business. If that person not going to tell you, not because he or she not tell me his success to the business, and not go, I will call the verse for her. Not verse for the person, not verse for her, because many people they don't do good for person, but they are good not they pay. They are good not they pay. That's why I'm not to the blame person. If I ask person something and the person not going to teach me or he not going to tell me, I'm not the verse for her, because if you say you don't get person where teach now, after that person don't learn finish, after that person don't they successful, the person will just forget her. Maybe she will teach person something now, when they call that person cannot they pick a call again. Many people they beat person join their good. So if you ask person something and the person refuse to tell you, don't have heartbreak because of that person. Instead, look that person. Look what the person they do. Try put more effort, or ask other people where see they do that same thing. Try put more effort. And me and still correct another thing. Not because you don't do good for people before they use bad pay you. You know go can't tell other people. No, everybody are not the same. And don't expect to be paid back by human being. Now God, now they reward person. Any good you do for this life, now God they reward. Not be human being like you. Not be human being like me. God's reward is very special and powerful, more than the one where your friend go give you, the one where your brothers or sisters will give you. God's reward now they powerful pass. If you teach person something and the person pay you back with bad, just leave that person. Let it go. Free your mind. Don't have heartbreak because of someone. God works in a miraculous way. If God want bless you, God blessing the shake. God blessing the shake. You don't go even hold on. You go surprise say, where all these blessings for they come? Where all these things from they come? But you not gonna know say now good way you they do for people. When you say people they pay you bad, but you continue they do that good. Now God they bless you put. Now God they bless you put. So my brother, my sister, don't have heartbreak because of someone. Rather, free your mind. Free yourself. Just live happy. Just be free. Just be free. No get heartbreak because of person. If person they pass you, look into that thing. Look what that person they do to they successful. And ask that person. Ask that person for you to call they get grudges for person where you don't even know whether you dey vex for her. Is that not? It sounds somehow. You will be angry with me, and I will not even know you're angry with me. I will be free. Anytime I see you, my mind go free. But you go they get your mind go they do. Hey, I don't see how. What I go do? Your mind go they think bad. Your mind not go free. You go they get heartbreak like that. You go they get heartbreak like that. So this video they too long. I don't want me a long pass here. I bet share this video. Share to your friends. Share to your family. Make them watch this video. Please like for me. Don't be stingy with the like. If you never subscribe, what you they wait for? This channel we they do wonderful things, different things. We they bring idea, and they bring idea. If I still get any remedy to show now, I will show now anything at all. Now they do for this idea. Every Google things. google things like this. If I see wetin dey go wrong at house, say make I come share with my people. Okay guys, bye bye everyone, see you guys in my next video. I love you. Merry Christmas in advance. When I not like my Merry Christmas tree, oh, now my baby she don't naked the tree, so I'm gonna manage her like that, okay?